Experimenting with the duplicate node. Today's video is sponsored by Hercules. Open your clip in the Fusion page, and add a merge node. Bring your masked clip into the flow. I've used the magic mask to isolate my subject, but you can make it with the old school way if you want. Add a duplicate node to your masked clip. Increase the copies to 25. Set the time offset around -2. Move the center position to the direction that you want. Check the merge under box. Slightly decrease the blend slider, and increase the burn-in slider to your liking. Open the blur menu, uncheck the lock blur box, and increase the X-blur slider to your liking. Open the gain menu, and slightly decrease one color slider. Connect the duplicate node to the merge as a foreground. Select the merge, and play around with the blend slider to find out what works best for you. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, it's a free YouTube video.